Yeah.
Breast augmentation is is one of the most popular cosmetic surgery in Vietnam. Because of the lack of a nice congenital breast in many Vietnamese women, and we have now a trend to have a more pronounced breast. Every year we perform around 17,000 breast implants in Vietnam, and in Ho Chi Minh City we have 14,000 one. So Vietnam is in the top 5 of the country in Asia who consume the most the breast implants. Breast implant augmentation is now is a safe surgery in Vietnam. It's very effective and meet the demand of the people. We have a very good training technique in the university doing by ourselves, and many years ago we have also the great help of the ACE, Elegant Asia Council of Breast Aesthetic, and with the best, with very nice cooperation with the Ho Chi Minh City Society of Cosmetic and Plastic Surgery. The surgery is very safe because it now done in well-equipped facilities in hospital. The third reason is also important, is now we have good, safe, and modern implants.
Yes, I think safe is the important thing. Everybody care about that when they want to do plastic surgery. Yes. Dear Dr. Brian Joe,
yes.
As a clinical doctor in charge of Aladdin Mundi Specialty Healthcare Company, could you mind sharing about the advantage and setting up the breast implants?
Okay, the breast implant has been 15 years. It was developed first in 1962, and the Elegant, our breast implant, has almost 40 years history, and we invest and do research for many years and do invest much money to prove the breast implant safety. So we also do a clinical monitoring to check the safety in the clinical side. So around 95% of patients has satisfied after breast implant surgery. So we also do co-work with a certified doctor in Vietnam to consecutively educate the surgeons to upgrade their skill. Yes.
Dear Dr. Brian, could you please sharing more about the different thing between the wrap implants and tear-up implants, and how to control the right implant for patients?
Yes, we have an anatomic shaped implant in Vietnam. So the anatomic shaped implant, which is usually called teardrop breast implant, is good for the patient who has a minimal soft tissue in breast or very thin skin, and even the patient who wants a more big lower part of breast. So it's the basic the recommendation. So more important thing is to consultation with doctors. That means the doctors will evaluate the patient, the breast, so they will recommend which breast implant is good for the patient. So the evaluation process is the key step to achieve the best goal of the patient's outcome. So for the evaluation process, the 3D measurement machine like a Vectra is very useful.
Yeah. Dr. Hanh, do you think it's important if the patient can see their own research before? Thank you, Mr. Brian. Dear Mr. Hanh, I just heard about Mr. Brian say about the Vectra simulation system, and I know that you have this system here. Can you show us right now?
Yeah, sure. Voluntary.
Thanks so much, Dr. Brian and Dr. Lê Hanh, to join with us and sharing with us so many things important today. Thank you.
Thank you.